Hello everyone. Welcome to Graphic Hunters. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design your logo letter on sword, or any shape just like this. So, make sure to watch carefully to the end, and then write in the comments section the most valuable information that you find in the tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. First take Line Segment tool and draw a line. Copy the line by hold Alt and make total 18 lines by hold Ctrl and pressing D. Now select the lines and make it vertical top line and make it group. Now copy the line. For copy, go Edit, and select Copy. Again go Edit and select Paste in Place. Now rotate it 90 degrees like that. Now we will draw circles over the grid to make a sword. If you check on Google with the name sword, you can see the shape of sword. So, take Ellipse tool and draw a circle like that. And carefully check how many lines I kept as a gap. As you can see, the right side, I keep 4 gap. And the left side, I keep 1 gap. So while practicing the tutorial designing of the logo, make sure you have been following my direction. Now select the circle, and copy it. For copy, press Ctrl C and Ctrl F. This is the shortcut method to copy anything. Now make the circle 1 line smaller by hold Shift like that. Do the same things for the right side like before. Okay, that's fine, I have drawn circles on the grid. Now select the lines and go Transform and rotate it 145 degrees. Reverse the rotate lines. For reverse, click on right button of mouse, select Transform, select Reflect, click on Copy. Okay, that's good. Again select the vertical lines, and copy it by press Ctrl C, and Ctrl F. Now rotate it 90 degrees like that. Okay, that's good. We have successfully organized our grid for our design. When you will make the grid, that means you have completed 80% of your design. Now select the grid. Decrease the stroke weight, so that this is look clear to see. Now take Shape Builder tool, and make sure Fill Color is turned on. Now carefully draw your logo letter like that. Watching carefully how I am drawing letter on the grid. You can draw other letter on the same grid which you like. Carefully fill up the each and every gap like that, otherwise your design will not completed perfectly. Now I will add sword handle to the top part of the logo, so that people can understand this logo is related to sword. So keep watching. As you can see, I have successfully completed the logo design. Now my work is that, move the design above from the lines. And in this stage everyone face the problem, you guys cannot move the design perfectly. So first select your design by hold shift. Then move it. As you can see, there are lines attached to design. Now you need to ungroup the part in which the lines are attached. As you can see, when I select the sword handle, the lines also selected. That's mean the lines is attached to sword handle. So it should ungroup first. Again select both by hold shift. And move it. As you can see, we have successfully moved the logo above from the lines. So this is how you can move easily your design from anything like that. So select the logo. And make it group. And make it middle align center. If I increase the stroke weight, how will it look? I think that's good. Now select the logo. Go Object, select Expand Appearance. Again go Object, and select Expand. Now go Pathfinder, and make it United. Okay, that's perfect. So friends, this is our finished masterpiece. I hope you loved watching this design come to life. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more creative content. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or ideas for what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and keep unleashing your creativity.